Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership and creating a backup copy. This matters because deletion is often irreversible for non-admins. Once signed in, open Google Drive and use the search box to find the sheet by name or type, spreadsheet. Make a local export now, choose Excel or CSV so you can restore data if needed. Also check Shared with Me and any team drives to ensure you have permission. If you are not the owner, request ownership or ask the owner to delete it for you. Once done locating the sheet, delete it from Drive by right-clicking and choosing Remove. This moves the file to trash, which is a soft delete. If the sheet lives in a shared drive, note that only managers or admins can permanently remove it, so make sure you have the correct role. If multiple copies or linked files exist, search for duplicates and delete them too. Make sure to also check any linked Google Docs or folders that may reference this sheet, so no hidden copies remain. To complete the permanent deletion, go to Drive Trash and choose Empty Trash. That finalizes removal from your account. Make sure to consider Google Workspace retention settings because admins can retain or restore files. If you're in a managed account, confirm with your admin. Once emptied, files are typically unrecoverable by users. Google's limited recovery options may still exist for up to about 30 days via admin tools. Troubleshooting tip: if a file reappears, check shared drive membership and admin retention rules, then request admin help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.